Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn on the Keep Subscriptions Private feature in YouTube on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to enable this privacy setting and keep your subscriptions confidential. Let's begin. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Look for the Settings option, usually located in the top right corner of the YouTube interface. Click on it. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy option. Step 4. In the Privacy section, locate the Keep All My Subscriptions Private option and toggle it on to enable the privacy setting for your subscriptions. By following these quick and easy steps, you can ensure that your YouTube subscriptions remain private and hidden from other users. This feature helps protect your privacy and keep your viewing habits confidential. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy a more private YouTube experience.